Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself struggling to resize an image in Figma and just can't seem to get it to scale properly without it getting cropped, stretched, or distorted, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to resize images in Figma while keeping everything perfectly proportional so your visuals stay crisp, balanced, and professional no matter what size you need them to be. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident resizing any image without ruining its quality or layout. Let's dive right in. So here I am inside Figma with an image placed on the canvas. At first glance, resizing seems like it should be straightforward. Just drag and resize, right? But the tricky part is making sure the image keeps its original proportions. That means the width and height should scale together evenly so nothing gets stretched or squished. This is especially important if you're working with things like logos, product photos, UI assets, or anything where visual accuracy really matters. Even a small distortion can make a design feel unprofessional, so getting this right is a key skill. First, go ahead and select your image. Just click on it once and you'll see the blue bounding box appear around it. These are your resize handles. Now, here's where a lot of people go wrong. They grab one of the side handles and start dragging. The problem is that this will only adjust the width or the height independently, which immediately distorts your image. You might not notice it at first, but the proportions will slowly start to look off. Instead, what you want to do is always use the corner handles. But even more importantly, here's the key trick. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard before you start resizing. When you hold Shift and drag from a corner, Figma locks the aspect ratio. That just means it keeps the original relationship between width and height intact, so as you make the image bigger or smaller, it scales evenly in all directions. Go ahead and try it now. Click a corner, hold Shift, and drag inward or outward. You'll immediately see the image resizing smoothly without any distortion. It stays perfectly proportional no matter how much you scale it. Take a moment to play around with this. Resize it larger, then smaller, and notice how the image always maintains its original shape. This is especially helpful when you're fitting images into layouts where precision matters, like cards, grids, or hero sections. If you ever overshoot the size, don't worry. You can always press undo and adjust again. The important part is getting comfortable with the motion of resizing while holding Shift. Now, there's actually another method that many designers prefer, especially for more precise scaling, and that's using the Scale tool in Figma. You can find it in the toolbar, but here's the faster way. Just press K on your keyboard. This instantly activates the Scale tool. Once it's active, click and drag your image from a corner again. The difference here is that Figma will scale everything more proportionally and predictably, and you don't even need to hold Shift. The tool handles that for you automatically. This method is especially useful when you're scaling entire design elements, not just images, like groups, frames, or UI components. It keeps everything consistent, which is super helpful in larger projects. So now you've got two solid ways to resize images properly in Figma. The first is using Shift plus drag from a corner, and the second is using the Scale tool with the K shortcut. Both methods are reliable, and honestly, once you get used to them, resizing becomes second nature. You'll stop worrying about distorted images and start focusing more on layout and design decisions instead. And that's really all there is to it. By mastering this simple but powerful technique, you'll keep your designs looking clean, professional, and visually consistent every time you resize an image in Figma. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up so I know. And if you've got any questions about resizing, scaling, or anything else in Figma, drop them in the comments. I always try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Figma tips and design tutorials. I've got plenty more coming your way.